Welcome to Kilroy's workshop. I'm going to give you a tour of the shop today. We're going to go through all of the different areas that we've got. Feel free to reach out to us at kilroysworkshop.com with any questions that you have, and we're happy to answer those. Come on, let's go in there. All right, today we've got a homeschool class that's at work. They're doing forging in the background here you see. We actually go ages 9 through adults. We've got a lot of adult programs that happen here. Our weekends, we're making things like axes and swords and stuff like that as well. That's in our blacksmithing area here, so come on in. Right in this area here, earlier this year, we built 5 foundries out of clay and granite, and we took Cripple Creek stone and sand, and we smelted our own steel. It was magnetite, and the kids got to experience that. We do, like I said, axes. We've got power hammers, presses, all kinds of tools in here, and we have a blast together. Later today, we've got Wounded Warrior Project coming into the shop. 26 people coming into space, and they're creating things together. And so it's just a blast. So we have groups that come in, private groups. We've got birthday parties. We've got bachelor parties, bachelorette parties that happen in this space as well. We also have a ton of individual classes from 3 hours all the way up to full year programs. All right, so next area we're going to go into is our life skills area. We'll also see where we make the Air Force Academy sabers. We make those right here in the shop, so come on with me. All right. In this area here, we're doing life skills training. So this is our homeschool group. We do a lot of different things in this space, from making Air Force Academy sabers. These are the scabbards that, this is a half a scabbard. We do that in here, but we teach plumbing, construction type things. We teach, right now they're learning about rigging in the background here, how to use pulley systems and how to tie things safely, so that you know, when they're working on projects, that they're doing things the right way with the right tools. So that's what you see back here. We also do fun things like making trebuchets, so they can learn about physics and how to construct these things so that they're stable. We make a hovercraft, and the kids got to ride that, so they learn about physics and tool use and stuff like that too, as to how to make all of these just fun things around. But they're also learning valuable life skills in the process. We teach a section on automotive. We've got things like personal finance that we do as well, and so all of that happens in this space. So let's go over and take a look at our mech lab area, which is doing things like CAD and robotics and 3D printing, but also digital art. All right, so this area in here is a combination of our mech lab and the digital art side of things, digital art and storycraft. In here we've got 3D printers that the students actually built. We've got computers that they built as well, and then they learn CAD from Tinkercad all the way through SolidWorks. If they get really good at it, they can even go after certifications in SolidWorks. On the digital art side of things, we're using Procreate. We use a lot of hand sketching. They're learning things like everything from color theory all the way through to anatomy. And so we've got so many different skills that they can learn in there. And then they can even jump into doing some 2D animation in that space as well. So lots of valuable things. You know, we talk a lot in here about communication is key, being able to speak, being able to write, being able to draw. That's another mechanism for communication, and especially when you get into the skilled trades, being able to communicate effectively in all 3 of those areas is very important. So let's go over and take a look at the welding. So this is our welding space in here. We do MIG, stick, and TIG instruction. We've got oxyacetylene that we do. You see in the background, we actually do projects in here as well. We're doing some repair work. We've got CNC plasma tables. We can cut out signs out of steel or aluminum. We've got powder coating that we do, Cerakote, so many different things in here to actually put protective coatings on different metals as well. And you can take 3-hour classes. We've got certification programs where we actually do test prep for the American Welding Society for the different processes with the MIG, stick, and TIG. And so if you have any questions on this, again, reach out to kilroysworkshop.com and or just stop by and see the shop. We can give you a tour. 1, 2, 3.